Hello everyone, this is Alethea Sail Along Sewing, and we are cracking the whips with the top of New Look 6453 and the Advent calendar. We are on day 15. So this is the top we're working on. We only had to do the neck edge, the sleeves, add the sleeves in and do a hem for one of them and the hem at the bottom. This is what I have done so far with the hem. I've serged it, and all I have to do is stitch it up on the machine. Okay, we are on day 16 of Vlogmas, and I've already inserted the elastic into the pan, and I had to do a double stitch because I didn't stitch close enough to the edge. But I got them in there, and you fold them over, and I've already stitched in the ditch on the sides, the back, and the front. So this is how it's looking. But the instructions only call for the stitch in the ditch on the sides. But with this thin material, the elastic just wasn't staying in place well enough for me. I think it would have been better if there was a casing made for these pants because of the thinness of the fabric. So we're moving right along. Next is the hem. Okay, here's our top. And the hem has been placed in the top. All the way around. And we're done with the top. So this is how the top is looking. We place the neckband. We added the sleeves and we hemmed them. And the bottom hem is in. So I have my pants laid out, and I'm going to cut off 2 inches at the bottom of these pants, and we're going to go from there with the hem. So there we have the 2 inches cut off, and we're going to do a serge. I'm going to try them on and do a serge and hem. All done with the serging. Then we're going to do the little narrow hem and stitch on the machine. Okay, so we have finished the hem on both pant legs. Serge them and stitch them up on the machine and the plant. And now we have to press, and that's it for the pants. So this is what we have. The hem came out right. I like it. Nice little suit. So now it's the time for my favorite part in the video, and we all know what that is. Thank you for joining me. This is day 16th of Christmas Vlogmas, and let's see what ornament that's in store for today. Okay. guys. It's a pin cushion. Look at that. Of course, we got to hang it on that tree, as we did with the others. Look at the little pins that's sticking up in there. That is so cute. So we are all done with their cracking the whip for simplicity. 9751 and new look 6453. The top and the pants. Let me know what you think about them. That's one project out of the way. Let's hang our ornament. There it is. I'm wishing everybody a blessed day and holiday season. If you have not watched the videos, the Vlogmas videos, please go back and do so, and share the videos and like them. And if you would, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you here with me. And if you just want to visit, I'd love to have you doing that as well. So on tomorrow, we'll start a new project, and that will be day 17th. We're moving right along.